one much the same. Again with Pythagoras, the moment we see we've got a right angle triangle and we have two given sides and one unknown side, we know we're using Pythag. So I write down my equation. What's my equation?
A squared plus b squared equals c squared.
Okay, and what do I know? What sides do I know? A and C. Okay, so I'm going to let A equal 10 squared plus b squared equals 23 squared. That's effectively going to equal 100 plus b squared equals, what is it, 529? Well, that's not how we draw twos. What do I do now? So this is the point where it stops being about Pythagoras and it starts being about a new skill, or not a new skill, but a skill that we've seen before. What's the skill, Shakira?
With what?
With where I'm currently at in this equation. I no longer need to use Pythag. I've used Pythag. What am I now doing? It starts with R.
Reverse bombast.
It is reverse bombast and opposite operation, which is a way of rearranging. So, I've got two operations stopping B from being by itself. If you've got your pen in your hand, you're doing the wrong thing. What are the operations, Sam Gordon, stopping this from being by itself?
B squared.
Yep, the squared, and what else is stopping it from being by itself? Plus 100. So what should I attack? I've got a square and 100. Reverse bombast says I should attack the plus 100, correct?
Yes.
How do I get rid of plus 100? I minus 100. Just from one side? From both. What happens to the hundreds on the left? They cancel each other out. I'm left with b squared equals 429. How do I get rid of the squared? Square root. What's the square root of 429?
20.71.
20.71. There's no units attached, so we're locked from there. Now, for question.
5 minutes.
Thank you. For question 4. Guess what I've got? I've got a challenge. I've also got a right angle triangle. Sort of looks like two known sides, but let's just, what strategy should I use? Pythag. That's very true. So c squared equals b squared plus a squared. So what do I know? I know c squared equals, or c equals?
26.
26 squared equals x squared plus 2x squared. And I'm going to leave that there for a bit to work on that.